condensation. Okay, and in the aldol condensation we have taken some examples. As I told you, what was the aldol condensation? When we are usually taking the same molecule, same of aldehydes and the ketones. Now let's do one more example for the aldol condensation. You must see all of you see there. Let it be this one I am writing there. Okay, this is along with the benzene COCH3 acetophenone. And in the aldol condensation, what was the condition? That both the molecules should be same. Now you see all of you. Here, this is the functional group. This is the alpha carbon, 3 alpha hydrogen. So one hydrogen I can keep it there. Okay. In the presence of dilute NaOH. Then what is going to happen over there? You see. All of you, I am going to start from there. CH3, COH. Okay, then this benzene I can write over here as a C6H5. Then CH2, the CH2. Then CO, C6H5. Clear? After that, we can do its condensation also by just simple removing the water molecule. And when we are removing the water molecule, then what is going to come over there? CH3. Then after that, C6H5, double bond CH, CO, C6H5. Is that clear? So this one only we are getting over there as a final product in the aldol condensation. Students, after doing the aldol condensation, let's do one thing more is there. That is the mechanism of the aldol condensation. What to do there? Mechanism of, you please see all of you, mechanism of aldol condensation. Okay, students, whenever we are talking about the mechanism of the aldol condensation, you can see there. Let it be step number 1. Okay, now we are taking any of the aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen. Let's see, we are taking this one, CH3COH. This is our alpha hydrogen, and let it be, this is any base. What we are taking over there, that is our dilute NaOH, or like that. Usually this reaction is in a reverse direction. Then what to do there over here in this case? You must see all of you. This is the alpha hydrogen and this is what? This is OH negative. This is what beta? OH negative. Then this OH negative is going to attack where? Is combined with this one only. Now you see what is the product is going on over there. So it will become CH2 negative COH, or it is resonance stabilized. This is a pair of electron. This pair of electron will come over here. So that is why CH2 negative COH. And but this one further, this pair can come over here. Oh, yes or no? Then it will become, this pair can come over there. CH2, then CO negative, then it is H. Okay. So now all of you see there, for example, there will be the double bond. Okay, like this way, and what will be the side product? Side product will be the water. And what we have made there? This one. This is known as resonance stabilized enolate ion. What is ion? इन दोनों को क्या बोलते हैं? Enolate ions, and these are resonance stabilized. Why they called enolate ion? Beta? Enolate, E-N-E plus O. Double bond is there, okay, and one double bond is there or not there. Then along with that, enolate ion. enolate ion, and along with that there is a COH group. What is it, brother? Along with that there is a COH group. And why it is 8 is there? 8 is there because of the negative sign on the carbon. What is it? Negative sign. That is why it becomes enolate ion. Okay, brother? Oh, that is why it becomes enolate ion. But ये alcohol नहीं है almost. When O negative is there, na, we'll call it alcohol because H is going to be attached here further. Fine. After that, again I am telling you enolate. E plus O. Double bond is there and one O negative is there, which is further going to form the alcohols. Clear? Now we are going to do step number 2. What we are going to do? Step number 2. Now you see all of you. In the step number 2, what to do there? You must see all of you. In a step number 2, you please take this one. This first resonating structure CH2 negative, then COH. Then after that, I am rubbing this one, this first step. Okay. Then again I have to give the reaction with what? With the CH3COH. CH3COH. Is that clear? Now you see in this case, there will be the nucleophilic attack. What will be there? Nucleophilic attack. Can you tell me now where it will be the nucleophilic attack? Obviously, this is a CH2 negative and carbon is always positive. So CH2 negative, this CH2 negative will go where? To the carbon positive. But please don't write that as a slightly positive. Okay, then what is going to happening over there? But this is CH3 CO. Okay, what is it? CH3 C double bond O. Here is the H. Then CH2 COH. Is that clear? CH3 C double bond OH. Then CH2. Then along with that COH. This one we are going to form over there. Now might be you see there is a 5 bonds of this carbon. So we can write here single bond and this one become O negative. Now it's fine. Oh yes or no. Okay, this is the product we have made in a step number 2. Okay, now we are going to do step number 3. कौन सा करना है हमने? Step number 3. Now in a step number 3, you must see all of you what to do there. What we have made there, whatsoever we have written there, we will give its reaction with the water. Means CH3. Then along with that, what is it? CO negative. Then H is there. CH2 COH. We are giving its reaction with the water, H positive and the OH negative. Then what to do there? Okay, क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास? You just see all of you. Obviously, when this H positive will go where? To this O negative. Then product will be CH3, then COH, H, CH2, COH plus OH negative. Clear? Now OH negative as it is, we got it. Now see, one OH is there and one COH is there. Aldol we have made. Once again I am repeating you in a first step. Step number 1. Step number 1 क्या किया हमने in the mechanism? This hydrogen go to the OH negative and there will be the enolate anion. Enolate anion is resonance stabilized. So we have made its two structure. One was like this way only. Yes or no? This was the resonance stabilized. So what we have chosen? We have chosen this one for the further. Then CH2 negative COH. We are giving the reaction with the CH3COH. This is a carbon is positive. That is why CH2 negative is going to attack over to this carbon. So it will give CH3CO negatives. Then here is this H will come down, CH2COH. Okay. Then what the product we have made here? This product we are taking back here. CH3CO negative, HCH2COH, H positive, OH negative. Then H positive will go there. Then CH3COH and CH2COH. OH negative will be acted as an side product. Is that clear? Okay, student. Thank you very much.